everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this cooking vlog, I will show you all a very easy dish full of amazing flavors, and it's none other than tomato rice. This recipe requires very few ingredients and can be prepared in no time. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna take my Instant Pot and add around 1/3 cup of oil. Let it heat up, and then I'm taking my chopped onion and add that right into the oil. Saute the onions for a little bit until it turns golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, we will go ahead and add around 3 to 4 chopped up garlic. Give that a good stir and then add your pureed tomatoes. I have used about 3 medium-sized tomatoes, but you can always add more or less depending on how much you're making. You don't necessarily have to puree the tomatoes, you can also chop them up roughly. Add in 1 chili, some coriander powder, some char masala. For extra flavor, I will add in these chicken stock cubes. You can use the veggie ones as well. Lastly, add salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. As you can see, it has developed a very nice red color. Over this mixture, we will go ahead and add in the rice. Here I'm using around 3 cups of rice, which I had pre-soaked. Combine everything well and make sure that every grain of the rice is covered with the sauce. Once everything combined, add in some water and make sure it's at least 1 inch above the rice. Lastly, sprinkle some char masala on top. Allow it to boil for a few minutes, then cover the lid and let it cook. While the rice is cooking, I will go ahead and make salad on the side. To start off with, I'm using 1 green chili. Finely chop it. If you don't like it spicy, you can go ahead and avoid this. Following the chili, I will chop up some tomatoes as well. Add the chopped up veggies into a bowl. We will also add some onions, so roughly chop that as well. Following that, cut some cucumbers as well and add into your salad. The cucumber adds a very refreshing taste to the salad. Once everything chopped up, add in some cilantro as well. And if you have some fresh mint, add that as well. It gives it a very nice, refreshing taste. To the salad, I will add in some salt and mix everything well. For some citrus, you can add in some lemon juice into your salad. Since I did not have fresh mint on hand, I am using some dehydrated mint. One final mix. As a side dish, I have some pickled vegetables as well. The pickled vegetables I have bought from my local Afghan supermarket, and there's some yogurt on the side as well. This is the final look. This is a very delicious yet easy recipe to make with only a few basic ingredients. This recipe brings back so many childhood memories, and you can also make a side dish on the side, but I just prefer it the way it is. If you guys did like this video, please give it a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel please, and follow me on my Instagram and also on my TikTok. All the details will be in the description box, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, take care, bye!